Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stephen Thorpe and I am the Deputy Head of School. Now, it has been said that observation is at the heart of good research. And what attracted me to research in the first place as a young student, much like yourselves, was a curiosity that I had sparked by an observation. I'd started as a research assistant in a research lab here at AUT, now called the Human-Computer Interaction Lab. And I was working on a project for a large multi-site interactive whiteboard. And it was a project that involved the University of Waikato, the University of Auckland, researchers here at AUT, and also MIT at Manukau. And what I found that was really fascinating was to see that everyone in the team was really absorbed in the technology itself and in the software and the hardware to solve the problem. And they're all focused on the tool. And I kept wondering, aren't there some bigger questions here that might be answered too? How are people going to actually use this technology? And other similar collaborative technologies that are emerging? What are people going to do with this stuff that's really unexpected? How are they going to organise themselves and do their group work differently than they would face-to-face? They also had a big question, wondering how will collaboration and group work itself change through the rise of collaborative technologies like the large interactive whiteboard we were developing. So this single observation started me on a journey that led me to some great supervisors and to some great mentors, to my PhD completion, and to discover the whole world of professional group facilitation practice. I ended up serving on the International Association's board for 3 years and became the editor-in-chief of the Group Facilitation Journal, and so much more. Ultimately, my research is about group work and collaboration, and it's all about technology and people and change. My current supervision work involves supervising students investigating mobile technologies with preschool students for learning, and the use of SharePoint in facilitating collaborative research culture in Crown Research Institutes. So I'm interested in anything that involves virtual teams, that involves group work, that involves technology enhancing those activities. I'm also interested in supervising students looking for other areas of collaboration, technology itself collaborating with each other. Also interested in e-government and in cloud computing and in cloud security. So ultimately my role as a supervisor is to support you in your journey of discovery, to help you with your thinking, with your methodology, with your writing, and in overcoming some of those common obstacles that can get in the way of you succeeding. So have a think about what you're really curious about. What is an observation or a curiosity that's emerged in you? What might you want to contribute to the world in your research? What are the questions that you could be exploring further with our support? Thank you.